wat ben je mij
Hello
gunnen?
everyone, this is Sanguro here, and we're back with part 4 of his Black Collection, White Collection, Elblizzard Psycho Drive openings. And we're already with the Elblizzards.
Yep.
So let's start with Vanillet, Lampent, Real,
Oh, cute.
Trainer, and Birthday.
Oh wow, the artwork on this is amazing.
Seriously.
Yeah, really. Okay, anyway, let's not like waste too much time staring at the card.
And previously, he got, yes, an X. Luckily for him, I won't kill him for this.
Yeah, that's what you're saying right now. Okay.
Pidove,
Oh. that's
Pawnyard,
yeah.
Deerling.
Oh,
Ooh,
Chandler.
Chandler.
Nice. Bronzong.
Bronzong. I have so many of them.
Bronzong
in
is so
Code
awesome.
Legend, I think.
Triumphant. I think
Triumphant.
Probably.
Triumphant.
Yeah.
Either
It,
that.
it allows you like to summon 2 legend cards.
Oh yeah. Maybe.
Yeah, that was I was feeling like. It looked like a maybe to me.
Maybe, I don't know. I don't think it can, but in
yeah, it does,
the
I swear.
game,
Yeah. Come on. Okay, sorry
the
for that.
bell can.
Okay,
Ooh, Pikachu,
Pikachu.
Sneasel, Darumaka,
Lucario.
Lucario, nice, and Lilligant.
Sorry for that. I went off camera. I'm still having trouble because I have to discard them with my left hand, but that's not a motor reflex to me. So I'm always trying to discard them
But
with my.
sir, I cannot go to your left because it does not work. It just does not.
It's okay.
Because I cannot look at the camera at the same time.
Why?
I don't know. It just don't work.
That's nice. Okay.
The code card.
Yeah.
So we
Kachu.
have Kachu, Wigglytuff, Riolu,
Again.
Simis, Sage,
Oh, okay. Right.
and Raichu.
Still got it down there.
Raichu.
Oh wow. No, wrong side.
There's like my shadow.
Yeah, we see our shadow.
Well, that's the cell phone, but that was my shadow.
Yeah.
And we have Darling, Pidove, Elgium, Vanillex.
Yeah. It looks great.
It does. Behem, and that's. And
Yeah.
how many packs left?
I don't know.
9 packs left.
Including this one?
And yeah, including
Okay.
this one, if I'm not mistaken.
It's going fast, people. It's really going fast.
Pretty fast.
No, wrong thing.
Oh, I don't mind that.
I do. Somehow.
Curlia, Petalil, Riolu, Bronzong, and Trainer.
I'm having an hard time.
Don't put your hand like this. Your
Yeah, I know, but
cards.
it's my way to see like if I'm on camera because it's really hard for me, really.
It's not that hard though. I can open them for you if you want.
No, I'll be okay. Thanks.
Okay, so please. Fungus, Wigglytuff, Lampent, Ampheasant,
Oh.
and Lilligant.
It looks better than the male version, by the way. 'Cause
Yes,
the male version.
the female is a lot better than
Yeah.
the male.
At first, I thought like the female's version was actually the male version.
Me too. And then I just discovered it was not. I was like, oh.
Yeah, same. It's like when you have Gardevoir male.
God of War, yeah.
Yeah, I said it in French.
Vanillet. Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff. Oh, sorry.
Bronzor. Bisharp, yay for
again.
me.
Oh, sorry for that.
Trainer. And yeah.
Bisharp looks so awesome, so badass.
Six pack. I'm not talking about a muscular person.
Oh,
That
come
was so
on.
lame.
Yeah, it was lame. You should be ashamed of yourself. I
am
destroyed
not.
it. I completely destroyed it. Okay, so Pikachu,
Sneasel, Ralphs, Trainer, and Lapras. You can do it.
What the hell is that? Wow. You should have seen this. She's so laughing like, oh my god. It never happened.
Don't drop packs like this.
I just threw it like, I threw it on the ground.
No, it went straight to your crotch. Kalia, Lampent, Banlet. Ooh, Gardevoir.
Yeah.
So pretty.
And it's not a male, by the way.
That Gardevoir. And Weavile. That Gardevoir is just the prettiest.
Okay, so right now I haven't gotten Ultra yet, I think, because the
No.
X is just a rare one, which sucks. And, well, anyway.
Maybe you'll get a shiny.
Right. I'll get a shiny.
Well, with the luck you've been having.
Yeah, I should punch you in the face. Ah, wrong side.
Oh, don't mind it.
Yeah, that's easy for you to say.
Yes, because
You're
I
not
don't
obsessive.
mind. Hippopotas, Petalil,
Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff, Amoonguss, and Darmanitan.
Darmanitan.
Only 3 packs left.
And
Will you
very
be
few
lucky?
patience.
So if you don't, I'm going to call this video the worst luck ever.
You cursed me.
Yes. So that you wouldn't get cards that I
Okay,
don't
I
like.
just killed it in half, by the way, which is not cool. There. Oh, I think I got something here. Yeah, I got something. Okay.
Bronzor, Lots, Fungus.
Are you ready?
Yes. Groudon.
Oh, yeah, that's an ultra rare. Secret rare, in fact.
Not really secret rare.
Yeah, secret rare.
Oh, it is. Well,
Touch it. Touch it now.
ooh,
Perfect.
that texture.
Yeah, it's always great.
It's so nice.
Okay, so that's... You can't laugh at me now.
And it isn't.
Can you film me for a second? I'll just do a dance for the fact that you
No.
can't. I want to do a dance.
No,
Why is that?
because
Because what?
I am not allowing you to.
You're so mean.
I am.
I'll do the recap after I
Groudon
open these
is
two.
really nice.
Yeah. She's not allowing me to do a dance. I'm so mad. Rawr.
You look so mad.
Yeah, I know. I always look mad. She's been hurting me so bad. My poor
Of
feelings.
Litwick,
Okay, well.
camera please. Vanillish.
Yeah, it's because I was
Tranquil,
like, oh.
Energy. And Hippowdon.
It's because like I was so
The last pack.
Yeah.
That's the last pack. And then I guess we'll end the video there.
I'll do the
Because it's
recap
been-
first.
Yeah, after the recap.
Yeah.
And we'll open Cycle Drive in one soon if you are able to. Oh my god, no, my camera is going to die.
Okay, let's do this fast then.
Yes. Pansage,
Growlite,
Growlite, Pawniard, Ooh,
Zapdos,
Zapdos, nice.
and Trainer. Okay, so now for the recap, I got Zapdos, Groudon, X.
Please,
I was,
slower.
okay, I got Zapdos, Groudon, X, which
No,
is
it's like the full art. I know it's X, but it's the full art.
okay.
Gardevoir, Bisharp, Vanillux, Lucario,
Yeah, Chandler.
Sandler, Arcanine, Regigigas.
Yeah, I
X.
hate saying its name. Yeah.
Seriously. And Bisharp.
Yeah.
And that's it for the recap, guys. See you in the next video. We'll be opening Psycho Drive, the last box.
I'll say it like this. Psycho Drive.
Of course.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys. Sign Burrow here. Sign up.